Hello everyone. Today we will study about homeopathic medical repertory. Introduction. This book is authored by Dr. Robin Murphy, ND. This ND refers to naturopathic doctor. His birth date is 15th August 1950 and death is 18th November 2021. It is a modern alphabetical repertory mainly based on Repertory of Homeopathic Mitra Medica by Dr. J.T. Kent and Repertory of Hearing Guiding Symptoms by Dr. C.B. Nair. This repertory is compilation of 55 standard homeopathic literatures. So now we will see the editions of this repertory. So it came in 3 editions. First edition came in the year 1993. Second edition of it came in the year 1996 in Colorado, USA. And third edition came in the year 2009 in Blacksburg, Virginia, USA. Now, side by side, we will see its edition in India. So, first Indian edition came in the year 1994 by Indian Books and Periodical Syndicate. Second edition came in the year 2002 and third edition came in the year 2010 by Bijan Publishers, Delhi. So, we can remember these dates side by side, like first edition in 1993 but first Indian edition in 1994, just after 1 year. Second edition 1996 and second Indian edition just after 6 years, that is 2002. Third edition came in the year 2009 and third Indian edition came in the year 2010, just 1 year after international edition. So these were the editions, and by this side by side you can learn the dates easily. Now next point, he got a degree of naturopathic doctor. He has tried to correlate 3 philosophical principles of Paracelsus, that is sulfur, mercury and salt, with psora syphilis psychosis of Dr. Hahnemann. He also believed that doctrine of vital force is taken from Archis principles of Egyptian medicine. He states that these statements are the important points that can come in exam, that which statement is said by whom. So here this statement, the roots of homeopathy was alchemy and that came from Egypt. This was said by Dr. Robin Murphy. Robin Murphy also felt that sympathetic medicine is the right word for homeopathy because it has compassion for the patients by curing them naturally with the least side effects. So Dr. Robin Murphy gave homeopathy a name, that is sympathetic medicine. Now we will see the colleges in which he has worked. First is National College of Naturopathic Medicine in Portland. Second is National Center of Homeopathy. Third is Hahnemann Academy of North America. Now we will see the philosophical background of this repertory. It is based on the clinical as well as classical homeopathic practice. There are 4 types of gradations, that is typography. First is capital bold, second is bold, third is italics, and fourth is Roman. Now plan and construction of the repertory. It has total 1602 drugs. It follows unique plan and construction from abdomen to wrist, which is arranged alphabetically. In first edition, now these editions and their chapters are important. In first edition, 67 chapters. In second editions, 70 chapters. Now 3 chapters added in this edition is Constitution, Disease and Headache. And third edition has 74 chapters. Fourth chapter of second edition merged into 1 chapter. In second edition, there were 4 chapters which were merged into 1 single chapter, and those are blood, disease, emergency and nerves are merged together to form a new chapter, that is clinical. Now in third edition, 10 new chapters were added, that is cancer, clinical, fainting, gallbladder, speech, spleen, taste, time, vaccinations and weakness. All the medicines mentioned under remedy list are not included in the repertory. So now the first chapter of the repertory is abdomen and the last chapter is wrist. Now we will revise the important points of this repertory. Homeopathic medical repertory. It is a modern repertory authored by Robin Murphy, who was first a naturopathic doctor. His birth date 15th August 1950 to 18th November 2021. It is alphabetical repertory. Which was based on two books, that is Repertory by J.T. Kent and Repertory of Hearing Guiding Symptom. So this repertory was based on these two repertories. Now we will see the editions. We will see side by side the Indian edition and international edition. The first, this is second, and this is third. First international edition came in the year 1993. Indian edition came in the year 1 year after it, 1994. Second edition came in the year 1996. Second edition of India came in the year 2002, just after 6 years. And third edition came in the year 2009. And Indian edition just after 1 year, that is 2010. By this, dates can be remembered easily. Now, Robin Murphy tried to give a new name to homeopathy, that is sympathetic medicine, because for its compassion for treatment by curing the patients naturally. Now next point we will see the philosophical background, that is philosophical background based on clinical and classical homeopathy. Gradations 4. First is capital bold with 4 marks, bold with 3 marks, italics with 2 marks, and Roman with 1 marks. Next we will see the total number of drug in this is 1602. The first chapter is abdomen and last chapter is wrist. It is placed alphabetically. These chapters are also placed alphabetically. Now we will see the number of chapters in first edition. These were 67, second edition 70, and third edition 74. The chapters added in second edition chapters were constitution plus disease plus headache. These 3 chapters were added in the second edition. And in second edition only 4 chapters were merged to form a single chapter. The 4 chapters which were merged in second edition are blood plus disease plus emergency plus nerves to form a single chapter, that is clinical. Now this was about the homeopathic medical repertory. Thank you.